Hi there, Melody from WTI, and if you're looking for a hand with your shaving, let me suggest this one here to you. This is the MANGROOMER. Let me show you how great it works and how fun it is to use.
Introducing the ultimate pro back do-it-yourself shaver. This comes with 2 shock absorbing heads, so you can switch it up however you need it. All you need to do is unlock it, twist your new head back on, and then lock it in place. It has a really cool extendable handle that will actually lock into place at any length that you choose. I mean, everyone's got a different height, right? And this red button power burst helps shave through the extra thick and the coarse hair that some of our guys have. So because of all of these things, it really is a super easy DIY back shaver to use. It's also very easy and fast to recharge it, and to clean it, all you need to do is rinse it with water and wipe it clean. So this really is the ultimate pro back shaver DIY for your favorite guy. I don't mind helping him out, but this is kind of fun to watch too. And the result is a nice, clean, shaved back that makes everybody happy.
So everything you need in one handy little bar. It's great, does the trick. It makes everyone's life easier. That's my point of view.